how to create a progress bar, and let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. So here, let's create a new Fusion composition. Here, let's make it around 10. Create, grab it, drag it into the timeline, and here select it, and let's go to the Fusion panel, and here we need to add a background. Please add a background as well, and here we need to add another background, and if you select background and you click a background, we'll add automatically a merge, which we need. And now what you have to do, make sure you click on background and on the first background here and drag alpha all the way down. Click now on background, and here we need to add a rectangle. Okay, and make sure now we create this progress bar. I like to make this progress bar around like this. Okay, very simple, nothing complicated. Now what you can do is to simply here make sure you click on rectangle, you uncheck solid, and we increase border. Okay, very simple. We can also change our color. Okay, and now we need to select a rectangle and background. Control V, Control C, Control V. And now we should have another merge like this. Here, click on rectangle. Now we need solid here, and double check border. Here we don't need any border. But if you hold Control, zoom in. Then if you don't hold Control, but you use the middle wheel on your mouse, so we can move our width. Okay, like this. So that's the progress here bar. But we need to animate this progress bar. So what you have to do, grab a rectangle, and here. So now this is what the rectangle will do. You see here, it's like a mask. Increase the weight, and now move this all the way to the end, and click on here, center, so we can add a keyframe. Now move this right when the video starts, and now we need to simply move our like this. Okay, you can also move it from here. And now, as you can see what we have. Now the last step, almost. I'll also show you a progression bar. You'll see here the percentage. I'll show you how you can do this as well. But now what you have to do is to grab or click on your keyboard, press on your keyboard, Shift plus space, and add keyframe stretcher. Okay, but you can click on merge, so we'll add it right there. Add right here, perfect, click on it. Now here what we have to do, this video lasts from 0 to 9, so here simply write 0, 9, 0, 0, 9, 0, 9. Now should work silly. This is what you should see. So it works fine, but we don't have the progression bar. Okay, and now please let's move to the next step. Please follow along with me. So we need now where is it? A merged. Hold Shift so we can add it here. Now we need to add text. Okay, and here this text, you can right click and select here expression, and here make sure you copy this. I'll leave in the description of this video, but don't paste it here. I just wanted to show you this code you need. just delete here and paste it here and enter, and this is what you should see. And if you drag it here, click on shading. Now this is up to you, but I like to add some red outline, not red, black actually, but I want to add a red outline. All right, increase the thickness, and if you hold Control you can zoom in and you see now you have thickness. This looks better. Now this is, let's see what we did. So it works fine. Now if we increase that, maybe we have a video that's way longer and it works fine. Maybe we have a very short video and it works as well. So I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. I really hope this video helped you and you learned something. And actually I forgot to show you another thing, guys, so don't leave. I forgot to show you, if you want to reuse this, and you want to reuse this, most probably there is a high chance you want to reuse this, and I want to reuse this. So what you have to do is to highlight everything here. You right click and you have here settings and save as, and now you can save your progression bar, right? Progression, I already have another progression bar here, but a different style. So simply save, and now let's actually save, and now you have all the settings here. If you don't want to save with the settings, you only want to select this the progression bar, like you don't want to see here the inspector, which you can also save. You can go to macro, create macro, and here you can also save all the settings here, merge everything here, but it's up to you. Click on close. You can click here save as, and save this as well if you want to save it this way, but it's up to you. So I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate that and will help the channel. Thank you. Take care.